This is a simple process of how to start trading cryptocurrency profitably. You are either getting started, you have never traded cryptocurrency before, or you are already trading but you are not yet trading profitably. Now, there are some of the steps that we are going to follow for us to start trading cryptocurrency profitably. The first thing we need to do is to choose the right trading cryptocurrency exchange. Yes, the very important thing, even before you start thinking of how much you are going to make, how much you are going to start trade with, which kind of strategies you are going to use, you have to choose the right cryptocurrency exchange. You know, most of the trades and most of the investments for cryptocurrency normally take place in the cryptocurrency exchange. Maybe for long-term investors, they may want to use other kind of wallets such as cold wallets or hot wallets. But for those people who want to actively trade cryptocurrency, they will always go to look for the right kind of cryptocurrency exchanges. Guys, now we have a very large number of cryptocurrency exchanges that you can choose from. And the kind of cryptocurrency exchange that you will choose from will also determine how much you make, and will also determine the security of your funds, will determine a number of things in the course of your trading activity. Now, in our list, we have a number of cryptocurrency exchanges that we can always recommend. We are not saying that they are the best, but we can always recommend them for you to go and do more research. Here where I am, you can see I am using KuCoin. This is KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange. There is Binance. There is another cryptocurrency exchange by the name Bybit. There is OKX. There is Bitget. There is Get.io. There's a very large number of cryptocurrency exchanges that you can always choose from. When you are choosing these cryptocurrency exchanges, make sure that you take into consideration the level of security, the ease of withdrawing and navigating that exchange, a number of ways to make money, and many other things. Then the second thing, guys, we have always talked about this and we will always continue talking about this. You have to decide the amount of money that you want to start trading with. Remember, on majority of these exchanges, for example, on KuCoin, you can start with as little as $1 and you can start making money. You can start with as little as $1 because whenever you are going to purchase your first USDT on cryptocurrency exchange like this, you can see for the first vendor, it is between 1 Kenyan shillings to 20,000 Kenyan shillings. So it means you can even purchase USDT worth less than $1 and you can just start trading with that. But remember, the amount of money that you are going to put there as capital to start trading with will also determine the amount of money you are going to make in profits. If you are just getting started, I would always recommend that you start with the amount of money which you can afford to lose. It is not guaranteed that you are going to start making profit immediately you start trading, because maybe sometimes it takes time for you to just get used to the market. There are times that you will just have to lose the money, so start trading with whatever you can afford to lose. But now for you to make good amount of profit, you have to trade with significant amount of money. Let us say $100 and above, $50 and above, $500 and above, you start making significant profit. Then something else that you need to look at, guys, is the number of ways that you are going to use to make and maximize your profits. Remember, in the cryptocurrency space, we have a very large number of trading and investment strategies. For the case of KuCoin, we have a very large number of markets. Let us look at these markets. We have the spot market. The spot market is where you are just trading with whatever you have. You are neither magnifying your losses nor magnifying your gains. If you have made a loss of 5%, that is what you are going to lose. If you have made a profit of 1%, that is what you are going to get. Then we have the futures market. That was the spot market. Then this is the futures market. Now, the futures market, you have the opportunity to leverage whatever you have. By leveraging, it means you are magnifying your losses as well as magnifying your gains. You could decide to magnify your losses even by 10%, or even by 10 times, 1,000 times, or even 100 times. And by this, I simply mean that if you have $10 and you want to magnify your gains, you are saying that you have the $10, but you want to borrow another $90 from the market. So you have the $10 in capital, but whatever you are going to trade with now is $10 plus the $90 which you have borrowed from the market. So you are trading with a total of $100. But remember, the only amount that is belonging to you in that case is $10. Your gains are going to be magnified if, for example, you make a profit of 10%, and your losses are also going to be magnified when you make a loss of, let's say, 5%. Now that is how it works. We also have other markets like the margins market, which works more or less the same to the futures market, only that for the margin market, the level of leveraging is quite low compared to the futures market. We also have the grid tools. The grid tools, we are talking about the bots which you can always use to make your work easier. When you come to this part, you can see for KuCoin and for also other cryptocurrency exchanges, we have these features that can help you to trade. So it is upon you to decide which kind of market you want to trade with and which kind of strategy you are going to use. You also have to take into consideration your desired investment or trading horizon. Are you a day trader, or are you a 1 week trader, or are you a very long-term trader? You have to decide. Then the fourth thing that you need to take into consideration is the time at which you will be taking your profit. Remember, there are some people who will buy a cryptocurrency. For example, you come here and buy a cryptocurrency which is down by 34%. But then, after buying this cryptocurrency, you are going to continue holding this coin even after it has gained by more than 40%. You continue holding it. Sometime again, the price starts falling even by more than 70%. So your money is there, it keeps on going up, and sometimes it also keeps on going down. You do not know the right time to exit the contract. You do not know the exact time to exit the market. You do not know the exact time to take your profit. Also, you need to know the best time to take your profit. Then the fifth thing again, this now refers to the actual trade. You need to know the time that you are entering the market. Any cryptocurrency trader or any forex trader or any stock market trader needs to understand the entry time, the right entry time into any stock, into any cryptocurrency, into any pair of currencies. For example, in this case, someone who is entering the market at this moment, or maybe someone who entered the market when the price was at around 34 cents. That was around yesterday. Up to now, this person has made a profit. Yes, you can see today the price has risen by over 18%. That is 18% profit. While the person who entered the market when the price was at around 76 cents, up to now this person has made a loss of close to 50%. You need to know the time at which you are entering the market and also the time at which you are exiting the market, or the time at which you are entering a particular contract, or the time at which you are opening a trade, like you are buying a particular instrument, and the time at which you are closing that position or selling that particular instrument.